The 4 years that we will spend here as a college students will be the best and worst of our life. We will be pushed to the breaking point. As we look around us, there's our colleagues that become our companions. Some of us will take it easy. Some of us will crack under pressure. And some of us will be forced to leave. This is our starting line to achieve our dreams. This is our arena. How will we play? It's up to us.
Pag nagkulay brown na, ilagay na yung mga manok. Hindi dapat siya halo-haloin guys, pero halo-halo ko. Ay, bakit ba? Desisyon ako eh. Tapos pag ganyang kulay na siya guys, na siya sa pinakulaang tubig. Dahan-dahan baka mapasok. Napasok talaga ako dyan guys. Tapos, antayin mo na lang siyang maluto. Ganon yon. Ayan guys, hindi pa siya luto yan. Ewan ko, ba't ganyan kulay. Tapos, charan! Ito na. Sarapin.
Is welcome to Kasili Malig Isabela. Kasili Malig Isabela have a great, smart, and caring barangay captain named Mrs. Rita D. Sayo. Here in Kasili, you can meet friendly people. Kasili Malig Isabela have a festival known for Nuang Festival. Do you know Kasili Malig Isabela have a great school named Malig Plains Colleges INC.